Hey guys, what's going on? Did you happen to get a new smartphone for Christmas? Wifey did. Today I'm going to show you how we protect our phones. I work outside. I'm in the elements all day, 12, 14 hours a day. I've been known to drop my phone. I've been known to step on said dropped phone. I've dropped tools on it. Just multiple different things that can happen to these things. If it can happen with my stuff, it will happen. I don't like to get a new phone every year. I'm a little bit of a cheapskate, so I think we're on our third round of smartphones now with the upgrades, and have yet to have one repaired. So I'm going to share with you guys right now what we do to protect our phones so we don't have to replace them or have them repaired on a regular basis or anything like that. So stick with me. I'm going to show you what we do, and hopefully it works out well for you. First thing you're going to need is a new smartphone, followed by an OtterBox Defender. I've been using these for 7-8 years now. They are almost indestructible. They are some of the toughest pieces of plastic I've ever seen in my life. They do a really good job of protecting your phone. They have a rubberized surface on them, helps with shock absorption, also helps them helps prevent them from sliding off of counters or consoles of boats, consoles of trucks, Jeeps. Really good at keeping them in place for you. Gonna want a tempered glass screen protector. Get these on eBay. And this new device, I've not seen one of these before. I just happened to stumble across it. It's a camera lens protector. Also tempered glass. It's micro thin, so it will protect the glass yet fit in the OtterBox still. So pretty important to keep that camera lens protected if you're going to want to take photos with your phone and utilize that feature of your phone without having scratch marks show up in your pictures or blurriness or anything like that. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is take your smartphone, peel the protective plastic covering off of the screen. Then we're going to take our tempered glass. This one has a little tab on it to help pull its protective covering off. Once we have them removed, we want to carefully place the glass onto the phone. This part can be a little tricky. Once you've set the glass on there, don't touch it. It will kind of self-seal itself to the phone. If you try touching it or moving it, you're probably going to mess it up and get it out of whack and have a little air pocket underneath it. This one came out perfect. You can't see any air in there, which is exactly what you want. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to take our protective lens cover here. As soon as I figure it out, and we're going to place it onto the camera. Unfortunately, this one didn't come with instructions. real time. There we have it. And you just rotate it around. Press it on. This cover actually has some adhesive on it, so once you peel it off of the plastic backing, you want to be careful not to touch the backside. Clean it up. They give you a little cloth here. Just give it a little wipe down, press it in so the adhesive sticks with no air, and we're looking good. Let's move on to the otterbox here. Take it out of the clip. When they're new like this, folks, they're pretty tough to get the rubber case off of the plastic holster. But that's what you want. You want a nice snug fit. And just pop your clips loose all the way around. Don't force it. It'll go. And the last one. Teal phone, pink case. Don't ask me. I guess it's a female thing. My wife's a very colorful person, and she wanted a teal phone and had to have a pink case. So there you have it. Women are strange animals. All right, the phone's secure in the plastic case. We're going to put the rubber on. Making sure to get a good seal all the way around. When it's on there, it just feels right. We'll turn the phone back on. There we have it. Entire phone is protected. We can drop it now. No harm, no foul. This will protect your phone for quite a while. Like I said, I've only had one otterbox per phone. They work really well. These tempered glass screen covers work way better, in my opinion, than the plastic cover that comes with most of the otterboxes. The tempered glass won't allow any dirt or dust to get between itself and the screen of the phone. Those little plastic covers, sometimes dirt or dust will get into the case, and it'll scratch up your phone, and that's never a good thing. So here we are. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and hopefully this works out as good for you as it has for me and my wife. Thank you.